3, 2, 1, fire.
NASA has tested the most powerful booster rocket it's ever built. It produces 3.6 million pounds of thrust. The US Space Agency will use two similar boosters to send astronauts back to the moon. These will provide 70% of the power needed for that mission.
Now we're building the most powerful rocket in the history of humanity that will take not just the next man, but the first woman to the moon by 2024 in the Artemis program. This program is commercial in nature, but it's also international in nature. And so we're very grateful for our partners that are building the FSB boosters so that we can ultimately achieve the objectives of our nation and in fact lead the world.
But it won't come cheap. The estimated cost of the Artemis mission is $28 billion. $16 billion of this money alone will be spent on the lunar landing module. President Donald Trump has made the moon mission a priority, but Congress will have to sign off on the funding. NASA Administrator Jim Bridenstine says political risks are often the biggest threat to NASA's work, especially before elections. Former President Barack Obama had slowed down plans for a manned mission to Mars even after his predecessors spent billions of dollars on the project. NASA has unveiled the plan for the mission. The first flight, Artemis 1, is scheduled for November 2021 and it will be unmanned. Artemis 2 in 2023 will take astronauts around the moon but will not land. Finally, Artemis 3 will land on the lunar South Pole in 2024. A lunar lander will carry two astronauts, a man and a woman, to the moon from their Orion spacecraft. Their stay on the moon will last for a week and will include 2 to 5 extravehicular activities. 3 projects are competing to build the lander. The first is being developed by Blue Origin, founded by Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos. It's working in partnership with Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, and Draper. Also in the race are Elon Musk's SpaceX and the company Dynetics, which builds small satellites to large spaceflight hardware. The Artemis program is named after the twin sister of Apollo. In Greek mythology, she is the goddess of the moon. Now all eyes are set to see the first woman walk on the moon in less than 4 years.